Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to search eBay for the sold items on PC. Now let's get started. First of all, open any browser you want. Here I'm using Edge. Now go to www.ebay.com. Then this opens the eBay website. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, use this search bar to type the name of item you want to search for in the search bar. Tap on it and this will open the product. Now use the advanced search, which is just beside advanced search. Tap on it. Now use the filter. Here we can see several filters. Tap on sold items, then tap on search. Now you will see all the sold items that match your search. This includes the sales price, condition, and the date they were sold, perfect for the market research or pricing your items. And that's it. You have successfully searched the sold items on eBay using your PC. It's super easy and helps you understand the market trends. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.